Hey, welcome to How's It channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to create a new profile in Outlook. Open Outlook 2016 app. Click on File at the top left corner of your screen. Select Add Account. Check Manual Setup or Additional Server Types. Click Next. Check POP or IMAP and click Next. Enter your name and email address. Set account type to IMAP. Enter imap.gmail.com as an incoming mail server. Enter smtp.gmail.com as an outgoing mail server. SMTP. Create a password for your login information. Click on More Settings. Go to Outgoing Server tab. Check My Outgoing Server, SMTP, requires authentication. Go to Advanced tab. Set IMAP and 993. Set the encrypted connection to SSL and SMTP to 465. Click OK. Click Next. Wait until it's done. Click Close in the new window. Click Finish. Enjoy! Thanks for watching the video. Please like it if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!